Nice product. Very good delivery by Amazon in 2 days and very good exchange price. I am very satisfied with this deal. Go for online. लोकैक शॉप वेल बहौर जू और कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन पुराना बिकता है, ये है वो है मेन। जब लोकल शॉप मेन गया टू म्यू सेम मॉडल 260 LT का 3 स्टार 253 एस्टरिस्क के साथ मिल रहा था और Amazon पे 4 स्टार 194 एस्टरिस्क साथ। लोकल वाले कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन वारंटी सर्विस नहीं मिलाती, वो सब बकवास बेट है, मार्केटिंग है। Using this fridge for past 20 days and it is performing fine. No issues so far. I received September 2016 manufactured model from seller Cloudtail, with 4 star and 194 units energy consumption as shown on door sticker. Noise level from compressor varies as per load and inside temperature. If you open door frequently, the compressor has to runs hard to meet the set temperature, and that's when noise level increases and one can hear it. But otherwise is very silent. The left and right sides of refrigerator become slightly warm during normal running. Due to this, there is no formation of moisture droplets on sides. Cooling performance is very strong inside deep freezer, whereas in refrigerator section it's about average. There is no LED light in deep freezer, which is bit disappointing. It is recommended to put minimum 0.5 kVA voltage stabilizer for long life. Got it for 19,590 rupees during Diwali sale, and at this price it is very good deal. Damage received. Super. Product is excellent. Good performance, low electric consumption is given. Suitable for 3 to 4 person family. Bit dent mark may be seen due to transportation, but product is excellent. I bought in 23,040 rupees per in August 2018. Nice fridge and faster cooling with low power consumption. Good fridge and budget, but LG service team damaged my fridge. Good refrigerator, found it quite cheaper as compared to offline retailers. Looks good, good space inside, pretty silent in operation. Only con is flap of chiller tray, which I miss as compared to previous refrigerator. Thanks Amazon for such a great deal and great refrigerator too. This LG refrigerator is by far the best double-door refrigerator among all the brands. Don't think so much before buying this. Thanks. Wonderful refrigerator. Very nice refrigerator. Only thing is the body panel does not match the door quality. The side body is like sheet metal cupboard. Happy with the delivery and installation. Cooling is awesome. I collect my order on delivery time, thanks Amazon for that. And product I received is very good. Demo person come in 4th day, which was not requested by me, thanks LG for that. I bought this for my family and they are so happy with it. I love Amazon. Very good condition, no scratch. So, super. Going well. Nice. Purchase this product in lightning deal. Completely satisfied with the design and performance. USEAD almost a year and completely happy as usual because used LG refrigerators earlier too. LG is best in after sales service. From my experience, I will recommend LG refrigerators to all my friends. Best fridge under 23k. Go for it. Great product. This is 5 feet tall ref. Without any stand. The delivery was on time in the demo. And installation guy was nice. Same as described. Good product. Freezer don't have light. Got product without any damage. This review is about 1 month usage. Low noise. If you want freezer usage more then blindly go for it. Else LG also launched dual fridge for you. I am writing this review after 2 months of purchase. It's really great for a small family. Enough chill and space for keeping food fresh. Only gripe being that egg tray is very small. The fridge runs super quiet. Very happy with Amazon delivery, as I received it the very next day of me placing the order. The looks are cool and it's energy efficient too. Very good product. Amazing cooling, no light in freezer. LG should work on it. But overall LG brand proves itself that it is the best company. Would like to give 5-star ratings for LG and Amazon for timely delivery within 72 hours. But also 0 ratings for delivery person, did not support me. 8 WSM with great discount, love it. On time delivery and installation within a day. One of the best refrigerators from LG. I highly recommend everyone to purchase it. Thanks to Amazon for this reasonable price and safe delivery. I bought it for 23,990 rupees. While in the local market, it was 28,000 rupees. Best refrigerator. I as well as my family is happy with this. It's a very good deal. Installation by representative is also well. Quality product in this price. Very super refrigerator color is very beautiful. I got it in 23490 during festival sale. Very nice. Good condition. Working good. I got it yesterday. Good delivery. I got a message that LG call within 48 hours to install. But I personally call them to send man to check product and install. Unexpectedly they send man to install within 1 hour. I am very happy with LG and Amazon. Thanks Amazon for delivery. I didn't receive keys with it. It's good fridge and value of money. Thank you LG. First impressions, on time delivery, no damages or dents. Well packed and really good product. Let's see how it works. The best 4-star rating double door fridge in TH market. Usually we find all 2 stars and 3 stars double door fridges in this price range. Even got discount from Amazon owned CLOUDTAIL India Ltd. Thanks Amazon. Happy customer. I purchased it at 23,990 rupees. Excellent cooling and silent operation. Main drawback is its less vegetable storage capacity and big upper compartment. For cold storage, Ali's everything is perfect. Great product. After reading reviews and finding this refrigerator in top 3 refrigerators under this budget, I decided to go for it. Great product. Click link in description for more reviews.